And welcome to Merge's Blockchain Development Group. Today I'm excited to bring to you the news that we've accomplished 80,000 unique addresses on RocketBot platform. That's both Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Over the last year, a little bit more than a year, we've accumulated 80,000 unique user accounts. And for that, today we've started a 100,000 merge giveaway slash airdrop. That's right. What we're going to be doing over the next weeks and possibly months is giving away 100,000 merge to the community, and we're going to be doing that by tweeting out different promotions and so forth. And today I'm going to show you the first promotion that we have pinned on the RocketBot Twitter, our RocketBot Twitter profile, and it's as easy as creating and scanning a QR code or using the QR code mobile app. So, as you know, RocketBot launched their mobile wallet app, and it's easy to install both for Apple and for Google Play. And today we're going to show you Google Play. So once you install the app, the QR code, you can screen capture that QR code and post it to all of the events that we're going to be creating over the next weeks for the 100,000 merge airdrop and giveaway. So let's get started. So you're going to go over to, I'm going to give you an example of going over to Google Play, and you're going to hit install. Once you hit install, you're going to go ahead and open up the app. And once you open up the app, the easiest way is to sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. Once you sign in with Google, it's going to give you all your balances. Normally it should be 0. You're going to click on merge, the very, very top one. That's merge mainnet. You're going to click on a lower left-hand corner, and that's your receiving address or receiving code. You're going to copy, screen capture this QR code. Then you're going to whiz over to our Twitter, our Twitter account where we have a current 100K, and you're going to do a quote retweet. And in the quote retweet, you're going to add this QR code to your quote retweet and then add a little comment. What we're going to do is we're going to be scanning all of these quote retweets and events and so forth, and we're going to be giving away, you're going to be receiving these merged directly into your RocketBot mobile app wallet. And it's as easy as that. And this is how we're going to celebrate 80,000 users on the RocketBot platform. Uh, I encourage y'all all to go ahead and add that in. You're going to get notification once you get the airdrop giveaway. And we look forward to much more events and development using Merge platform and celebrating RocketBot's 80,000 users that we've currently gotten on the platform. Thank you and have a blessed day.